Hi everyone, this is Tristan from Switzerland, and this is my CS50 final project. So here's the landing page where we have a small welcome message and a small introduction about the websites, and we have the shop, which is integrated from the shop page here, and this is the services that are offered by the business. So this is more a static page. Shop page, we have all the products that are listed. So it looks into the database to show the picture, the name, the price. And if we want more details about the product, we have a dedicated feature for it, which is dynamically implemented, also will be allocated. And we have here more information about how they can see. Here the size is not allocated yet, but we have the placeholder. And now if I want to add this to carts, we will see that the carts increased by 1. And now I want to make purchase. I had already another item in the cart. As we see, I have 2 items. I want to check out. So on the checkout page, I have a summary of the order, and I can make my purchase and submit my form, my order, using the PayPal functionalities. So PayPal provides fake accounts to make fake transactions. So here I want to make the transaction into the end to see whether my application will show that the transaction incompleted to the user. This is okay, and now we should see that the cart will be empty, and the 2 products that were in the stock with only 1 unit are now removed from the database. So we only have now 6 products to show. On the backend side, I used the Django Python framework to build the websites and all the functionalities inside it. It was really convenient thanks to the models view and template principle. So the models is basically the database I use for the customers, the products, and the order and other items to be refreshed and updated according to the user behavior. And we see that the product is important for the business, for the user of the website, to manage the price, the stock of the products that you want to sell. The views here make the link between our templates, the page that are provided to the user, and the backend behind it, the items that are in the carts, the state of the order, and it provides a context to the page that are basically shown here in HTML, CSS, and with adding some JavaScript functions to create, for example, a cookie and track the user cart along the experience on the website. And of course, the use of template tags is really easy to make dynamic web pages using the database. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and this was my CS50 final.